Hello everyone and welcome here to Musicians Edition for another guitar lesson. In this one we're going to be doing a duet together called Au Clair de la Lune. And that's going to be using just the top 3 strings on our guitars here. That's going to be the high E, G, and B strings. So in my previous lessons I've been progressing through these strings, learning the notes on these ones. And so that's where we are right now, learning those 3 strings. So this song is just going to be using those 3 and playing melodies, bouncing around between those different strings for practice for us. And again, this is a duet, so if you have someone who knows guitar or is learning along with you, you can learn one part, they learn the other part, you guys play it together, and you'll sound very nice. If you do not have someone like that, hey, maybe you'll meet someone and you guys will be a perfect match for a duet. And you always have this one to rely on, okay? So Au Clair de la Lune, let's go ahead and look at it. So this song won't take us too long, even to go through both parts. It's just a 4-bar pattern that's going to repeat 3 times, and once in the middle between the second and third repeats there's going to be a different kind of a section that just mixes it up, but it won't be too hard here. So let's go over a reminder in our lessons what notes we've learned so far. So I started on that high E. We did E, which is played openly. We did F on the 1 fret. We did G on the 3 fret. And then we went to that string below it. What string is that? B string, okay, so we can play it B openly, C 1st fret, and D 3rd fret. Then after that we just go to E on that higher string played openly. Going down one more, we had the G string. G played openly, or A on this 2nd fret. So I believe we're using all those notes. We're gonna go from low G, again openly, A on that 2nd fret of that string, move up to B open, C 1st fret, D 3rd fret, high E open, F 1st fret, G 3rd fret. That's everything we're going to use in this. All right, let's go ahead and look at part 1, then we'll do part 2, and then I'll show you what they sound like together so you can see that. All right, so part 1, here we go. We have, this is the 4-bar section that's going to repeat a couple times, so let's make sure we got this part down, starting it off with that 1st bar. So I give you the sheet, I give you the tab, take a pick of what you want to look at here. So on the sheet, you can see if you do know your treble clef there, that means we're going to be playing a C. On your guitar tab, that is just the 2nd string, right there, 1st fret, to play C 3 times in a row. And then we're going to go up to D, or that 3rd fret of that same string. Okay. C, 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 D so far. And then we have these half notes that are going to hold for a little bit longer here. They're going to get 2 beats. That's going to be E, open on that high string. Okay, and then back down to D, which was the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Okay, so these ones should be further spaced apart. Quarter notes take 1 beat, half notes take 2. So here that is. Okay, let's finish it off with these last 2 bars. So we're starting it off with another C, 1st fret of that 2nd string. Okay, then we're going to go up to E, make a jump up to there. That's open on the high string. Back down to D twice, 3rd fret of that 2nd string. And finishing off with a C at the end. That's a whole note that's going to hold for 4 beats there. Okay, so last 2 bars, here it was. 1, high open, down to 3rd, 3rd, back to C on the 1. Sorry, you guys couldn't see me on that one. Here it is again. Finishing on C there. All right, now we got to put this whole thing together. So we started off with those 3 C's, D, up to E, back down to D. It's just these 3 notes mixed together, C, D, and E. So here it is all together for you. Okay, how about you play it along with me this time? I'm going to rely on my metronome for this because it's just easier. If you do have someone to play with the practice, you guys can pick what tempo you guys want. I'm going to do it nice and slow just for this one. That's going to be at 75 beats per minute. Okay, so each of these quarter notes play on one of these ticks. When I do the half notes, they take up 2 of them. And then quarters again will take 1. That whole note at the end will count out for 4. Okay? 1, 2, here we go. And we're done. If you still need to practice that, go whatever speed you like. Make sure you got it down because this is the part that's going to repeat a couple times. This does play twice at the beginning, and we'll call this the A section of it. And then B section plays, and then this A section plays once again. So A, B, A all together. So let's go ahead and learn that B part so we can do it all. All right, so looking at this one, we're starting off on a familiar note. That is the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, which was D. 4 times, easy. Okay, then we're gonna go down to this G string finally and play A on the 2nd fret. These are the 2 half notes, so we're gonna hold those a bit longer. Then we're gonna come back up to D again, 3rd fret of that 2nd string. Then go down to the 1 for C, then play it openly for B, and keep working our way down. Let's go down to that 2nd fret of that 3rd string to play A. And we're finishing on G, which is just letting go, playing that same string openly. Okay, so all we're doing is just counting down D, C, B, A, G. So here that is again. D, C, B, A, G. Okay, so this whole thing all together here, let's go ahead and I'll show it to you. So starting off with those 4 Ds in a row, here we go. Finishing off on that G, played openly. There it is. Let's go ahead and play this part with that metronome. Make sure you guys can stay in time with me. 75 BPM again. 1, 2, here we go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put everything for part 1 of our duet together here. So remember our sections, we're going to go with that A section, A again, switch it up to B, and then go back to A. So it's going to be 4 things that we're going to put together here. A, B, A. If you need to practice any of those sections by themselves, make sure you go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and get our metronome queued up. We can stick with 75. Okay, there's our speed. Same as what we practiced with. All right, we're gonna start with part A, playing those 3 C's in a row. So we should be starting off on that 1 fret of that 2nd string. Here we go. One more time. B. A again. There it is. Okay, so we're gonna move on to part 2 of this duet. So this is gonna be what your other person would play along with you. If you don't have that other person, this is just what you could practice as a different section of this song. So we're gonna follow the same pattern. It's gonna be 1 section that's gonna be our A section again. It's gonna repeat twice at the beginning, then B comes in, then A again. So it's gonna follow that same pattern. And really the notes are gonna overlap really nicely. So if you got the part 1 down, part 2 is gonna be pretty easy to learn as well too. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, so part A of this part 2 duet that we have. So it's gonna start off playing higher than the part 1 is. So this is gonna be like a harmony layered up higher by a couple notes throughout. So looking at this, we're reading, on that staff, we're reading 3 E's in a row. And so on the tab, you can see it's just that highest string played openly, that high E. Okay, 3 times. And then we're gonna go up to F, which is on that 1st fret. and then we're gonna go up again to G, which is that 3rd fret, and then back down to F. So that's gonna be 4 quarter notes, 2 half notes. Okay, E, 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 F, G, F, pretty easy so far. So then we're gonna go ahead and play E, jump up to G, which is that 3rd fret, back down to F twice on the 1st fret, and finish on open E. Okay, here's those last 2 bars again. Okay, make sure you practice that to get that down. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the metronome. Let's go ahead and do it. All we're playing is E, F, and G. 1, 2, here we go. Done. Okay, so again, that part is gonna repeat. We're gonna go ahead and learn this part B part so we can put it all together. Okay, looking at part B, we are starting off on, that is the treble clef again, so we're playing 3 A's in a row, which is that 3rd string, that G string, 2nd fret, right there, 3 times. Then we're gonna go up to B, which is gonna be the 2nd string played openly. So again, that's 3 A's. Then up to B, right there. And then we're gonna go up again to C, so that's 2nd string, 1st fret. Okay, so those first 2 bars, gonna be like this. There it is, 4 quarter notes, 2 half notes after that. So we're gonna extend those for longer. Then we're gonna move on to playing A once again, 2 times. And we jump up to B again, up to C, and we finish on B, openly there. So again, that is 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2 times, B played openly, C 1st fret there, back to B open. Okay, a bit more connected, here's that. And we're done. So let's put the metronome on this. Let's play this whole thing together here. 1, 2, here we go. Done. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put part 2 of this duet all together here. If you need to practice any of those sections we just went ahead and did, go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and play this all together with my metronome, 75 BPM again. And so we're starting off with that part A. We're gonna play those 3 E's in a row. Let's get it going. 1, 2, here we go. That one more time. B. A again. Done, we did it. Okay, so now you get to hear what both these parts sound overlaid together here. This is what you and your partner would play, or if you don't have that partner, you can go ahead and just see what this would sound like as we play our duet here. So I'm gonna play I'm gonna play part 1 and part 2 together here. I'm gonna increase my speed a little bit more than what we were practicing at. I'm gonna just go up to 85 BPM so you can see what it sounds like a little bit quicker. As you practice, I want you to keep increasing your speed so you can see how fast you can push yourself to do this. All right, so here we go. Thank you all for joining me for this guitar lesson. Going ahead and playing our first duet on guitar. If you do have that partner, this should be a fun one for you guys to play together here. Again, just pushing ourselves, working on those first 3 strings, bouncing around with our melodies. Go ahead and stay tuned as we progress our way through these strings and play some more complex songs. Thank you for tuning in, have fun playing, and see you next time.